In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to find the MAC address on your iPhone. Knowing your device's MAC address can be essential for network troubleshooting, security configurations, and more. Follow our simple tutorial to locate your iPhone's MAC address and gain a better understanding of your device's network identity. Method 1. Using General Settings. Tab on Settings app. Next tab on General. Then tab on About. Then under Wi-Fi address you will find your MAC address of iPhone. This address is meant to be globally unique. Now let's look second method by using Wi-Fi settings of currently connected Wi-Fi. Tab on Settings app. Next tab on Wi-Fi. Next click on exclamation next to the connected Wi-Fi. Then just toggle off private Wi-Fi address. This step is crucial because maintaining the private address option enabled will display a unique MAC address associated with the network your iPhone is currently connected to. However, this address does not correspond to the actual MAC address of your iPhone. Therefore, it is necessary to disable this setting to get globally unique ID. Now under Wi-Fi address you will get globally unique ID. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.